Your portable air conditioner may make a variety of sounds during normal operation. Some of these sounds may include a faint high-pitched noise from the inverter, an intermittent vibration caused by the compressor, other noises can result from improper installation or unsecured parts. If your duct and window panels are not held securely in place, they may make a rattling sound during operation or in strong winds. Make sure that you have the foam seals in the correct position, and that the window panel assembly fits properly in the window opening, and that the window sash is closed tightly enough to securely hold the panel assembly in place. For a tighter seal, use no residue duct tape to seal any gaps around the installed window panel assembly and where the panel joins. Finally, rearrange the duct or use foam shims, if necessary, to make sure that the duct does not hit the window frame and cause a rattling noise.